Hello friends, today I am going to discuss one of the most prestigious competitive examinations, USACO. So this is the competitive programming mm, computer. It is related to the computer science and world's best organizations, USACO, like a Olympiad, similar to the Olympiad here. So, if you want to good in the computer science and algorithms, if you don't know anything, so I try to give a more information. So let's see. This is the something like introductions of USACO, and this is related to a competitive programming. You can use the so many language like a C++, Java and Python. It depends on your ability, and but I am using here Python. I am an educator. So the programming competitive, so programming competitions generally last for several hours and consist of the set of problems. These problems are not open problem. They have already been solved by the problem writer and testers and are designed to be solved in the short time frame of a contest. So in a general, each problem in a competitive programming is solved with a two-step process, coming up with the algorithms, which involves a problem solving skills and intuitions, implementing the algorithms, which requires programming skill to translate the algorithm into working code. So, so first you have to understand the problems and then you try to solve that problem. So USACO Computing Olympiad, it is the national programming competitions that occurs the 4 times a year with the December, January, February and US Open March contest. The regular contests are 4 hours long and the US Open is a 5 hours long. So each contest contains the 3 problem solutions are evaluated and scored against a set of predetermined test cases that are not visible to the student. Scoring is out of 1000 points with each problem being weighted equally, approx 333 points. There are the 4 divisions of contest. One is the bronze, this is the initial level, second is the silver level, third is the gold level and fourth is the platinum level. After each contest, a student who meet the contest dependent cutoff of promotions will compete in the next division for future contest. So you have to first clear like a bronze, then you have to enter for a silvers, then you have to enter gold and then after that platinum. So let's see, this is the way you can do it. I have already discussed, so there are the number of syllabus here. Now to choose the language we have already discussed. I have some resources also given here and running the code online, and there are some different data types, input and output, expected knowledge, like here some mathematical knowledge, contributing, adding solutions, introductions modules work with the MDX, how to debug, how to practice, and contest strategy, competitive programming, contest, and Olympiads. So let's see. This is a basic idea I discussed with you, and I think then after that we can easily solve that problem. After that, let's see. Just I have some words here. So if you are going to like if you want to just to solve that this problem, so you have to understand the algorithms problem solving way, and like you try to understand algorithms and problems. Second, the programming, it depends on the you, and this is the most important thing. Just if you are using a Python, so need to understand the variables and types, input and outputs, operators, if statement, for loops, while loops, functions, structures, array, the preprocessors, template, additional exercise, and some chapter notes also. So there, these are the some standard library. You can also use like a vectors, key, stat, priorities, underscore, queues, set and math, like a series problem, sum of the nth term and square of the 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So sum of the nth term means you can write here n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and similarly 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square, n into n plus 1 and 2n plus 1 divided by the 6. Okay, this type of the problem you need to the solve here. Algorithms like sortings, searching, permutations, like a permutation and combinations type of programming. Strings like the conversions, input output means detecting ends of files, input lines by lines, output decimals precisions, additional exercise something. Now the implementations problem means additional exercise and chapter notes. Now let's start the complexity of insertion sorts, and as a putting notations, some like the amortized complexity, NP complete problems, other types of complexity, the importance of the constant factors, additional exercise, and fundamental data structure, dynamics, array, stats, page, graphs like adjacency matrices, and adjacency list, adjacency maps. Okay, priority priorities trees like binary trees. This is the very important. Heaps is also very important. So let's see the level 2 like a basics, brute force, optimizations problem, generate and test, back trackings, fixings, parameters, meet in the middle, chapter notes. Okay, next the greedy algorithms means optimal substructures, locally optimal choices, schedulings, chapter notes, dynamics programming and best path in DAG, dynamic programming, and this means bottom up computations, other of computations and memory uses, multi-dimensional DP, subset DP, digit DP, a standard problem like a knapsack, longest common subsequence, set covers, and divide and conquer like inductive constructions, merge sorts, binary search, optimizations problems, searching in a sorted array, generalized binary search, Kara, tissue bars, algorithms, and some data structures with disjoint set, range, queries, prefix, pre, computations, sparse tables, segment trees, graph algorithms means width first search, depth first search, weighted shortest path, Kestage algorithms, Bellman codes, Floyd, Warsaw, minimum, spanning trees, and mapping flows like a flow network. It modes track, augmenting path, finding, augmenting path, applications of flow. Now a string that tries, a string matching, hashing, the parameters of polynomial hashes, 2D polynomial hashing, and combinatorics like the additions and multiplications principle, permutations as a bijections, ordered subsets, binomial coefficients, Dyke path, Catalan numbers, the principles of inclusions and exclusions, invariants, monovariants, and number theory like divisibility, prime numbers, Euclidean algorithms, Euler's arithmetic, Chinese remainders theorem, Euler total functions and chapter notes, and strategy. Another is the discrete mathematics like logic, set, sequence, sum and products, graph, these things. So these are the basic way you try to understand, and then it will be the better to do the some problems. So I hope your contents has been clear. So I think you try and you will be a best for like this. So don't worry, all the best, and you try like uh, if you try all the best, and you must be a success. Thank you very much. I hope it will be the helpful for who are going to prepare USACO examination. Thank you.